In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to add pictures on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app. Now click on this plus mark. Select option of photo and click on the upload icon. Select any of the pictures here. In this way you can select pictures from your gallery and upload it on your TikTok profile by clicking on the post. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.